Hello everyone. Today we will be making paper flowers in celebration of Hispanic Heritage Month.
And the supplies needed for today's activity are 6 sheets of tissue paper, which we have here, a pair of scissors, and a pipe cleaner.
And if you don't have pipe cleaners at home, you can also use a staple to hold your flower together. So let's get started. First you take your 6 sheets of paper, and you can do them any color you like. I have all the same color to make a solid color flower, and here we have different colors to make petals that are different colors. So it's up to you. You take your paper, make sure it's lined up pretty straight and pretty close to even on each side. And we're gonna fold vertically. So you start at the bottom and you're gonna fold about a ½ inch to an inch depending on your preference. And you're folding up to create a crease across. So then you take your paper and flip it over and fold over the first crease. And what you're doing basically is following this process to create an accordion with your paper. Alright, so now we have our accordion folds here, and what we're going to do is we're going to take our pipe cleaner and you're going to take one end and just place it in the center of your flower, and you're going to bring the other end and wrap it around your stem tightly. Now what we have to do is actually make the shape of our petals. So there's 2 different shapes you can do for this. You can either do rounded petals or pointed petals. So we're going to do one of each so you can see. Here are the flower petals created. So now what we do is we take the flower and you open it up on each side, and basically you have what's already your flower shape. But now you're going to take each tissue paper and actually pull up and fluff it so that you're creating the texture of the flower. So you take the first layer and gently pull, because tissue paper is very delicate, so you don't want to tear it. You pull it up.
Very pretty.
Yeah, so once you create your flower, you'll be able to, again, just shape it up as you like, fluffing in areas that you think need to be a little fluffier, or just kind of rearranging the paper as you feel like you need to in order to make it look like a flower. So you're all set. Now this is the one with the pointed petals, and here's one with the rounded. So you can also do this with larger size tissue paper, and it'll create flowers about this size if you just use a regular standard size tissue paper. So it really just depends on how you want to decorate for your party or for any event that you're working on. So We hope you enjoyed today's workshop, and we hope you have fun making your own flowers.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Have a great day.